Hi students, welcome to Unit 11, one of the last few units of the term. We're going to be moving forward on the package design, the 3D design and development of the die line. It's truly a pleasure being working with you all. Hopefully you've found that you've gained some valuable skills from this course. Obviously, we've covered a lot of content in the 12 weeks, and the last few weeks are focused on wrapping up that package design. So there's a forum here for you to complete and share your work. Do that as early as possible, even if you're not a whole lot further. Just getting your ideas out there for others to check it out and give you feedback is really crucial. There's some resource links here that are always very important. Setting up Illustrator files for printing, preparing graphics for print and more, and then Illustrator web graphics. I did share a video on how to set up your final package design project. That's really important. Be sure that you complete that for Unit 11. And then there's more terrific die line templates to use. Check it out if you haven't decided on the die line that you'd like to use and you're not inspired by the one I gave you, the flattened gum package. Be sure that you check out some of the other die lines that I've given you to draw from as a resource. I will then be revealing your last and final unit shortly, and that will include a final quiz, your final package design submission link, and then also the instructor evaluation survey or the course evaluation. I really appreciate you taking that, and once you're done with that, you will be completed with the course. I cannot accept any projects past May the 4th by midnight. So please be sure that you are submitting everything by that time because I have to get my final grades in by that Monday. If you have questions, please feel free to contact me. I look forward to working with you further in the graphic design program. It'll be nothing but rewarding for me to see your growth. I always enjoy seeing students build their portfolios in the end because you can draw upon some of these projects and improve them. And it's truly just rewarding for me and exciting for you at the same time. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you in future units or when you come to say hello to me in my office or in other classes. Okay, take a breather, enjoy your accomplishments. I'll see you soon.